Hello guys, and welcome to another beautiful tutorial today. And in this video I'm going to be showing you and sharing with you how you can make money online as a freelancer. My name is Awajimam Isioto and I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you how to earn online. So if you're watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, you haven't liked, you haven't made any comments yet, sit back and watch this video because I'm going to be showing you how stuffs work as a freelancer. And if you are looking to earn money online, you could even start with freelancing. If you don't have a CV, you don't have an experience before, but you have an idea of how to solve problems, you can start with freelancing. Alright, so quickly I need you to help me like this video. I need you to comment on this video. If you have questions, you can comment. If you would love your friends to see this video, you can just help me share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. All right, so let's quickly jump into the video. So what is freelancing? You must have heard of the word freelancing. What is freelancing? Does it mean you're doing the job for free? Does it mean you're doing a project for free? No. So quickly, let's look at the definition for freelancing. Alright, according to what I have here, freelancing is the ability to work independently and earn wages on a per job or per task basis. What does this mean? It means that you can typically work on a short-term basis, you can work on a long-term basis. You can have the freedom to work from home. You have a flexible work schedule and a better work life. Now come to think about it, people who do salary jobs, they have to be at work every day for, let's say, 24 days, 26 days or 30 days just to earn salary. But as a freelancer, you have the freedom to work from any part of the world. You have the freedom to work from your room. You can be in the toilet and you're working. You can be in your kitchen and you're working. You can be on the road and you're working. You can be inside a bus and you're working. You can work in the middle of the night. This is the beauty of freelancing job. So I know you're thinking about it. Well, alright, so how do you go into freelancing? How do you start a freelancing job? How do you get jobs? Alright, let's go to the next. How to make money online as a freelancer. The first way to make money, the first step to making money as a freelancer, the first step to becoming a freelancer is to learn a high income skill. Maybe you've heard about this word before, high income skill. Well, high income skills are, skills that can help you make money faster. Skills that can make you richer faster. Well, I may not go deep into that in this video, but in my subsequent video, possibly I will drop a link in the description below. So it will, if you want to get a document about freelancing, about high income skill, I'm going to drop a link to a guide, okay, that will show you what high income skill is all about. And possibly I'm going to make another video that will talk about high income skills. Okay, so you need to learn a high income skill: graphic design, digital marketing, Facebook ads, copywriting, and a whole lot. So what's the second thing you need to do? The second thing you need to do after you have learned a high income skill is to build a portfolio. Right? A portfolio is the combination of your works, the combination of your project, the combination of things you can do, things you have done. Let's say you're a graphic designer, the works you've done, the designs you've done. Let's say you are a writer, a sample of your written articles. That is what a portfolio is all about. Okay, now your question might be, I'm just starting, how do I build a portfolio? You can build a portfolio by doing free services. Let's say you can write. You can tell your friends that you can help them write. You can write for free for small business owners. If you are a designer, you can design for free for small business owners. Now take note, this is when you are starting out. When you are starting out, you can do this for free. Now doing this for free helps you to gather experience, helps you to gather knowledge, helps you to learn the ins and outs, helps you to learn the different things that you need to play around with and the things you shouldn't play around with. Now doing stuff for free can help you to you are free to make mistakes and learn from the mistakes, okay? And by so doing, you are gathering works together. By the time you've done 5 to 10 works, you should have a good combination of works that you can put together as a portfolio. So that is the second thing you need to do. The second step is to build a portfolio. Now the third thing to do to start freelancing, to start earning from freelancing, is to promote yourself. Now when you know that you have been able to build a portfolio, the next thing to do is to promote yourself, either online or offline. Let's say you're a photographer, you can post pictures of your work, you can talk to people about your work, you can push yourself out there online so people can know that you are good with what you do. And by word of mouth, by doing jobs for people, you are promoting yourself. And by so doing, people get to know that, hey, this guy can do this job. And they begin to talk about you and they begin to ask questions, and you can turn a lead into a paying client. So this is how it's done. Alright, the next one is to promote yourself. Yes, to promote yourself. Sorry, I had to say that again because a lot of people have skills. A lot of people know how to do stuff, but they don't know how to promote themselves. Right? Now the fifth one is for you to sign up as a freelancer on a freelance site. Now there are many freelance sites online that you can join and start doing jobs. Now it is very free to join this site. Once you discover the site, you join them, you sign up as a freelancer and you set up gigs, and you can start doing jobs for people all over the world. If you're a Nigerian, there are Nigerian sites that you can actually sign up and start to do jobs. Now the beautiful thing about this is you don't have to have a CV, you don't have to have a past experience, you don't need to have money in your pocket. Once you have your smartphone, once you have your device, you can sign up, set up a gig and start pushing. Alright, so this is the fifth way to become a freelancer. You sign up on freelancing sites. Now if you're very interested in starting a freelancing job and you don't know the sites to start with, I will be putting a link below where I'll talk about in another video. I'm going to talk about the list of maybe 10 of 10 sites you can actually sign up to start freelancing job. Okay, so check out that in the link in the description below. Okay, so the sixth one, once you sign up on a freelancing site, you would be expected to set up gigs. Now what is a gig? A gig is just setting up yourself just like a shop to say, hey, I'm good at this, I sell this, I sell this, I sell that. Okay, I sell graphic design services. I can help you write, I can help you amend your CV, I can help you do voiceover, I can help you with data entry, I can help you create adverts on Facebook. So this is what a gig is all about. Now the seventh thing is to collaborate with people inside and outside your niche. Yes, one of the secret ways, one of the easiest way to push yourself out there to get jobs as a freelancer is to collaborate with people. Let's say for instance, I have someone who knows how to, maybe I know how to do Facebook ads, and somebody knows how to do graphics. I can help him run ads. Okay, I can help him run ads. He makes graphics, I make Facebook ads. We can collaborate together and make money together. If he knows how to build a website that provides a service, we can collaborate together. Alright, so collaboration is a beautiful way for you to push yourself out there to get jobs as a freelancer. Okay, let's go to the 8th one. Now, the 8th one is for you to learn more, to grow more, and to promote yourself. Okay, you learn more. The more you're doing jobs, the more you're learning. The more you're learning, the more you grow. The more you grow, the more you promote, so people can know that you are good with what you do. So this is the 8th step for you to earn as a freelancer online. Now, if you've learned something from this video, if you've acquired something from this video, if you got value from this video, I need you to like, I need you to comment, I need you to subscribe, I need you to share this video so that your friends can know that you can do stuffs. Even if you don't have a job now, you can start freelancing. If you got value from this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share. So these are all the steps for you to start freelancing job. If you have questions for me, you can send it to me via the comment section. You can ask me anything about making money online, and I'm going to help you with answers. All right, please share this video, please comment, please subscribe, and hit the notification bell so when I drop more videos you can be notified. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Remember to check the link in the description below. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.